Hey everyone, I'd like to welcome you to Strike Pro, the newest, latest, and greatest modern bowling tournament management software. My name is Eric Trung, and I developed this for you. Strike Pro is built on efficiency and speed. Those are the two key pillars that I built Strike Pro for. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'll show you how to get signed up. Then we'll go through a whole bunch of information, just kind of show you around the platform. So up here in the top right-hand corner, I'm going to click on Log In. As you can see, you have the login page with the email, password. Now, we can go back, or we can just go straight to sign up and bring you to the same place. But if you click on sign up here, you're met with a couple of different options. You have a director option, which as a first-time user of the platform, you'll get 3 free tournaments. After the 3 free tournaments are up and you continue to use Strike Pro, you can either choose from 3 different options, which is $10 per tournament, $19.99 a month for unlimited tournaments, or $179 a year. But the first year is only $99. Since we're launching Strike Pro, we want to give everybody an opportunity to get started here. And as you can see, we also have another option called Bowler. Now, this is going to be an always free option for any bowler that enrolls in tournaments that you as a director will run. Bowlers are able to view all the real-time stats on their phones as you enter the data into Strike Pro. So with that, let's go ahead and just sign up as a director. Okay. We're going to go ahead and hit sign up here. We're going to wait for an email to come in. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and I'll come back once I've confirmed the email. Okay. So I received an email. In that email, there's just a giant confirm button. Once you click on that confirm button, it'll open up a web browser and bring you to this page here. This is what we call the tournament dashboard. All right, let's walk around the dashboard a little bit. So as you can see on the left-hand side, we have our navigation pane. You can open it or close it by just clicking this little drawer here. And as you can see, we have collapsible icons. Now, once you're inside the app, this is where you're going to live most of the time. So as you can see, this is a tournament dashboard. You'd go ahead and click on Create Tournament here to go ahead and create a tournament. You have a whole bunch of different buttons here. One is called Manage Tournament. This is where you'd set or make changes to your tournament settings after you've already created the tournament. This is where you'd register bowlers for a new tournament. This is where you'd enter scores. This right here is where you'd manage all your bracket information. This is where you would view your scores, and then payouts as well. So we have a full payout module where you take in the entry fees and it will calculate all the payments for you automatically based on the ratios. So we'll go ahead and click on that in a minute, but I just want to come back to this page here. So as you can see, this is the main tournament dashboard, which we're highlighted on here. If I click on tournaments, this will show you any tournaments that you have created in the past. So you have upcoming, you have past tournaments, and you have archived. Leagues, this is something that's coming soon. It'll probably be a little ways out, but I will be working on the league version of Strike Pro as well to add on to the tournaments. Next up, we have the bowlers page. Okay. Once you click on the bowlers page, you have a list here of total bowlers. Right now we have 0. We'll get there. Average score of all the bowlers in your database, whether they're right-handed or left-handed. This will only show if you choose to populate that information when you're adding a bowler. So this is just the interface. We'll come back to this and go a little deeper in future videos. Next up, here's a list of bowling centers. As you can see, we have some dummy data in here right now, but you'll be adding your own bowling centers in here and we'll keep a running list. We have an AI analytics page. This is really in a beta version right now. We will launch this in beta. It can answer some very basic questions, but long-term, as it starts to understand you, understand the tournaments you run, understand more data is collected, you'll be able to ask this AI tournament analyzer, just like you would ask like a ChatGPT or a Claude or anything like that. You'll be able to ask questions about anything you'd like about any of your tournaments across the app. And over here, this is where you find all your training videos. We don't have anything up in here yet. I'm creating all these videos now. So you'll see these in here once you come in. And then there's a plans and pricing page, just what we talked about earlier today, where you can buy the credits. You can do $19.99 a month for unlimited tournaments. Or you have the annual founding director special right now going on. It's $99 for a year for unlimited tournaments, normally $179. So that's the overview of Strike Pro. Let's move on to the next video.